Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I would like to unbox this perfume and let's see together with me if this perfume is nice or not nice. I don't think this perfume is new, but as I will be reading, you know, on the screen over there, let's see what year which is made. And Armani code. So Armani code, Eau de Toilette for man. So this perfume is basically for man, guys, and let's see guys, let's see what it says. So basically it's amber spicy. It's new. This perfume is new to me. I have never had it before, guys. It was launched in 2004, so it's pretty old. The nose is, you know, basically there's like top notes: lemon bergamot, star anise, olive blossom, gaiac wood, leather, tonka bean, and tobacco. This perfume was awarded with some kind of fragrance of the year by, you know, for man 2006. So it basically gave some kind of award for this particular perfume. Can you imagine? But it was such a long time ago. It was many years ago, as you could see, because 2006 and 2022 is far away from each other. But let's open this perfume. I only have a small type of packaging, but it will be more than enough for me to see what it is, guys. More than enough to see what it is. It's for man. Excuse me. Beautiful type of small little box, you know, for man. Looks like kind of classic, something classic. Pretty much can already feel there, you know. So I have small one. It kind of the black type of thing, you know, black. And I'm gonna spray this particular perfume, guys. Do you have, guys, anything from Armani perfumes? What do you have, and what do they actually convince you? I think like, how to say, I myself, like, I tried so many of Armani perfumes, like they are kind of none of them ever became something that I really like, you know. But I would believe that for in the man range, you know, there might be perfumes that you could actually wear for your work. Like there might be some versatility in it, especially as I could see in this one. I could see already that there is a lot of versatility. So guys, Armani code is so popular. And I have a little bit of tissue over here, guys, and because I don't want to smell like a man, I will just simply, guys, will spray it on the tissue and see guys what it is. Armani code. So there is this so maybe I should spray it on my hand. Why do I spray it on the tissue? I should spray it on my hand. So citrus lemon, as you know, as it was saying, they immediately citrus lemon, fresh type of notes will not be like, let's say, you know, when there is this Armani because of you, or what's that for man? I have it over there, I forgot the name. So it's different. It's more maybe, you know, like for example Acqua di Gio is freshy type. So this one is also a type of freshy type, but less aquatic and more some kind of sweetness there. There is, as you know, it was saying, aniseed, which probably gives that type of interesting feeling, you know. Aniseed, and you know, it's like not overly over spicy, which is great, because if it would be too much, you know, over spicy, sometimes it becomes annoying in a way. And this one is not. So kind of very versatile, guys, very versatile for office type of there is a lot of simplicity in this perfume too, something that maybe wouldn't amaze too much, you know, anyone. But this perfume, I think it might have this pleasant projection type of, very pleasant. I think this perfume is made for, you know, for other people to feel pleasant around you, you know, not too overpowering, not too over shocking, not like too boring as well. It's just simply something that uplifts you slightly, you know, while you are walking throughout the day, but also it doesn't give you too much of a doesn't give you too much of like wow type of factor. You know, like sometimes, like let's say this one is for man, but let's say in ladies perfume, then there can be a lot of variation of smells, and some of them are really kind of interesting. In man's, kind of course, there is always that type of mostly manly, you know, note, which is very, you know, kind of popular. I don't know what I want to say by that, but anyway, it's quite nice, guys. There is that type of sweetness over there. Like, let's say if I would have a look, guys, do they say, let's say, anything else around? Let's quickly kind of dab it through what aniseed. So the popularity of this perfume was reducing year by year, you know, since it got that award, and the popularity just got reduced, you know. Let's read, for example, what one person said. It says, after trying, there's an animalistic undertone, it says, that's unpleasant. Interesting. So what else do people say? They don't wear it much anymore of this perfume, it says. Acqua di Gio. Let's see what it says. It's like what I wanted Acqua di Gio or cool water to be. You know, that's another person says. It's a good type of autumn perfume. That's so many people you see saying many different things, but overall, like it's those type of, you know, those type of common notes that you could see in Acqua di Gio, maybe more similar to that Acqua di Gio, that black one, you know, that black bottle, but still not exactly the same, is similar. There is also no, like, it's just such a simple and pleasant as well perfume that any man could pretty much hit without being afraid of, you know, making, let's say, other people choke, you know, which not many people would like to choke other people, isn't it? So that's what it is. And I think I will probably finish my talk soon, and I think there might be that nice projection, as I said before. This perfume is not new, it's old, so I believe, you know, that year when it was released, you know, probably people really liked this perfume, like, because probably, you know, there were not a lot of choices by that time, but at the moment there are much more choices. But if you are completely, let's say, confused, like with what to choose at all, like if you are confused and you don't know what to do, you could go with that one. You know what else it reminds me? This perfume reminds me slightly as well of Polo Black as well. But Polo Black, I think, is a little bit better. A little bit better, Polo Black, you know. Polo Black, you know that there's a blue and there is black. So this one reminds me of Polo Black, guys. That's all, guys. I will, excuse me, I will finish my talk with that, and I will come back to you soon. I hope you to have a fantastic day, and bye-bye, guys. See you soon.